Let's get on this and ride it down the tracks.
Roll that intro.
I am Anonymous Biker USA.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Anonymous Biker USA channel. Taking a crisp ride through Pennsylvania on my Indian Scout. First time I ever rode this up here. I don't know, 48 or 50 degrees. And we're just going through the back roads of northeastern Pennsylvania. Not Nepaw like Christopher David Lawson, but it's actually like northeast Pennsylvania. About 85 miles north of Philadelphia, 90 miles west of New York City. Just taking you for the ride today. It is Tuesday, October 27th, 2020. Look at the size of these rocks. Mountains. Pretty steep decline. I know the GoPro's not picking it up. Hope the GoPro picks that up. Borough of Jim Thorpe, named after the Olympic athlete Jim Thorpe. Train. There's the conductor. Town center. There's a bike rental place, not motorcycles, mountain bikes. Information center and the train station. There's your little mountain town. A lot of people out for a Tuesday afternoon. All kind of restaurants, t-shirt shops, and opera house. 1881 old church. Got a falling leaf. Road is climbing a pretty good ways up. This Flagstaff Road. Hopefully it's paved the whole way. No idea. I also feel the temperature changing a little bit as you get up here. Oh, that was a big pothole. Nothing like the Indian Scout shocks. And these are the stock shocks. This is like off-road. Breaking the tree. Breaking the trees up here. Free 100-mile view. Post it. hunting, fishing, trapping, trespassing. You can see way over there, and way over there. Maybe we should go up and out. Put the old drone up and see. Let's give it a go. Free 100-mile view. You're welcome. Park ranger. Mauchunk Lake Park office. Let's just take a quick walk over here. Switchback Trail. Switchback Gravity Railroad, 1844, down track. So, gravity took it down. And this one says horse-drawn wagon road, 1820. First gravity railroad, 1827. With the track. There's the track. There's the car. Switchback Railroad. Let's get on this and ride it down the tracks. Ugh. Here's the view from inside. Whoa. Welcome to the Switchback. So here's the actual track. Can you see that? And here's the track here. Here's the old bridge. Here's where it went. All the way down. And it kept going all the way down to the bottom of the mountain. Pretty neat.
I am Anonymous Biker USA.